Hello children, welcome to Nelson School online education program Learn Better. In previous sessions we have so far seen with the simple present tense, simple past tense and the simple future tense. So today let us begin with the solution of the worksheets. This is a kind of an oral worksheet. You're not supposed to write it down in your worksheet book. It's just for the oral practice. So let us begin. It's exercise 1. Match the words in column A with those in column B to get 6 proverbs. In A you can see number 1 is a bad workman. So when we join it with this, quarrels with his tools. You can even say the bad workman always blames his tools or quarrels with his tools. Barking dogs seldom bite, means they never bite. A rolling stone gathers no mass. A stitch in time saves 9. Slow and steady wins the race. Birds of feather flock together. So these are the 6 proverbs that we have solved right now. I'll repeat once again. A bad workman quarrels with his tools. Barking dog seldom bite. A rolling stone gathers no mass. A stitch in time saves 9. Slow and steady wins the race. Birds of feather flock together. Okay. Now we'll go for the next one. Exercise 2. Fill the blanks with the simple present tense of the verbs given in the brackets. So number 1. Who dashed fastest in the class? So here it is run. So correct form you have to use in simple present, so it becomes runs. Okay. So it is who runs fastest in the class. Anu dash her work sincerely and systematically. So this is the verb you are going to use do, but Anu is singular, so the verb that you are going to use is also singular, that is does. We dash things a bit too seriously. The verb given here is take. Now we is plural, so the verb that you're going to use will also be plural, so it is take only. Number 4, you dash anxious about every little thing. So it's feel. This is the verb you're going to use is. Okay, so you, again it's plural one, and the verb that we are going to use will also be plural, so it's feel. You feel anxious about every little thing. Number 5, you dash much of your time in idle gossip. So it's waste. Again, you is plural, it's taken. It's an exceptional case with you, it always takes the plural verb. So it is waste, plural form is waste itself. So it is you waste much of your time in idle gossip. Number 6, this magician dash amazing tricks. So it is perform. This is the verb you're going to use. I'm talking about this magician, singular, so the verb that you are going to use will also be singular, so it is performs. Okay, number 7, these children dash us very often. The verb that you are going to use is disturb, so these children, it's plural, so the verb that you are going to use will also be plural, so it is disturb only, so it is these children disturb us very often. My watch dash 30 seconds a day. So it's the verb that you're going to use will be lose. You're talking about my watch, singular. So the verb that you're going to use will also be singular. So the singular verb that carries S. So it is my watch loses 30 seconds a day. Now exercise number 3. Using the question words given below in the bracket, frame a question. Okay, so usually what they have given here is they have given you answer, and in bracket they have given you the question word. Okay, WH question word. Now you have to frame a question. Indian gooseberry is the most important source of vitamin C. Now you have to use what. So what will I write? What is the most important source of vitamin C? Number 2, rubber trees grow in Malaysia. Now here you have to use the question word where. So now when I have to explain you in the tense table also, that when you have to use in an interrogative form or a negative form, it's simple present, you have to take the help of do or does. Okay, so here I am going to take the help of do because it is rubber trees, plural. So do is the plural verb. So it is where do rubber trees grow. Number 3, Mrs. Kidwell treats every child in a friendly manner. Now here the question word they have given you is how, so you have to use how. So it's here treats is given. Okay, so here you are going to use does. In interrogation, you have interrogative kind of a statement, you have to take the help of do or does. Here I am going to take the help of does. If I am taking the help of does, treats will change to treat. So it's how does Mrs. Kidwell treat every child. Number 4, Alok respects truthful people. Now here you have to use the question word whom. So it is whom does Alok respect. Again with whom I have used does. Why? Because it's an interrogative statement, first thing. Next thing is Alok, singular. So does is a singular verb. So it is whom does Alok respect. Now here when I'm using does, my respects S will get cut and it will only become respect. Next, number 5, a score has 20 items. Now here you have to use the verb how many. Okay, so it's again we're talking about a score, so it's singular, so we're going to use does only. Okay, so it becomes how many items does a score have? So here has changes to have. Next, his father goes to bed late because he keeps working till late hours. So here you have to use a question word why. Now here, because it is goes, the verb is goes. Okay, singular verb, so you will also use the singular verb does. Now when you're using does, this goes changes to go, so it becomes why does his father go to bed late? He usually drives his father's car, and then you have to use the question word whose. Okay, so whose car? Now it is again the verb is drives. Fine, so you're going to use does, and immediately when you're writing does, remove s, so it becomes drive. So it is whose car does he usually drive? Number 8, they go to the market thrice a week. So here they have told you to use the question word how often. Okay, now here it's only go. Fine, the verb is go, that does not carry s, so you're going to use do. Okay, because go is a plural verb, so you have to use the plural verb do. So it is how often do they go to the market? Thank you. I once again repeat that this exercise and this worksheet is just for the oral practice, and you're not supposed to write it down in your worksheet book. Thank you.